Once the American Heart Association said that, "Protect your heart today for a healthier life tomorrow." Welcome to Flicky Facts. Have you ever thought about how simple it could be to keep track of your blood pressure from the comfort of your home? Imagine using a device that provides reliable readings and connects directly to your smartphone. Let's talk about the iHealth Ease BP3L wireless blood pressure monitor and explore whether it might be a helpful companion for managing your heart health or not. So stay tuned to learn more. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the iHealth Ease wireless blood pressure monitor, a blood pressure cuff, a user guide, and a charging cable. If you want to buy the iHealth Ease blood pressure monitor from Amazon, just tap the link in the description below. Parts description: rubber tube, cuff tubing connector, air port, an emergency stop button, and LED. How to charge. Place your device flat on the surface. Plug the charging cable into the USB port. Connect the other end to the USB port or a UL-certified charger. Set up with app. Download and install the iHealth MyVitals app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign into your account. Synchronize with your blood pressure and take health notes. Safety precautions. Avoid eating, drinking, bathing, smoking, and exercising for 30 minutes before taking a measurement. Check the battery. Apply the cuff correctly. Adjust your body posture. How to use. Step 1. Connect the cuff with the monitor. Wrap the cuff around the upper arm with the cuff tube pointing downward. Step 2. Make sure the cuff is about 1 finger above your elbow and fits 1 finger between your arm and the cuff. Step 3. Position your arm so the cuff is at the same level as your heart and sit down with your back supported and feet flat on the ground. Step 4. Place your compatible device on the monitor. Turn on the Bluetooth on your compatible device and open the iHealth MyVitals app on your device. Step 5. Tap Start on your device to start measurement and sync with your readings. Measurement classifications. Normal blood pressure, fluctuation. Blood pressure, classification for adults. Maintenance tips. Features. Experience style and convenience with the iHealth Ease wireless blood pressure monitor. The monitor is designed for easy operation with just 2 buttons. Recharge the iHealth Ease using the included USB cable, and you're ready to conveniently monitor your heart health on the go and guilt-free. With just the press of a button, you can effortlessly initiate readings and view your results on the easy-to-read display in 30 to 60 seconds. Offers up to 99 readings saved on the device and unlimited readings when connected with the free companion app iHealth MyVitals, allowing you to store, track, and share your blood pressure measurements with your smartphone. iHealth Ease analyzes 30+ physiological characteristics and is tailored to fit a wide range of body types for highly personalized, accurate readings. And health conditions. Specifications. Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your iHealth Ease blood pressure monitor. See you in the next one.